Oh, he's on the phone as well. Super duper hot as well, dude. Can I? भाई साहब डिफेंडर के भी आगे बड़ी SUV है ये, so he doesn't have the patience.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I'm here. How fast.
You've got a puncture?
Yes.
I'm sure he knew. I'm just making sure. That sentence doesn't make sense at all, but who's here to make sense? But then Ola scooters have a tubeless tire, right? I'm sure it must be tubeless. Well, even I've got a tubeless tire.
Hi, hi, hi. Hi. Baby, stop.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, after spending a bomb on this little machine, finally, my boy Prathamesh doing his thing. Post-service rituals. Look at the chain and look at these tires. New shoes for my GT. Looks very slick. At the front as well. Looks very slick, huh?
Aw, thanks.
Chalo, bro. Huh?
No.
Makhan. अरे यार
गाड़ी का नंबर बोलिएगा।
I forgot that I'm lefty. 5984. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
अरे my bag.
वो खुद 8 बरस का हो गया है,
Gosh, short term memory loss, dude. Fucking hell.
लेकिन उसका दिमाग 2-2.5 साल की बच्ची सुनता है।
Wait, which one's mine? Yeah, this is mine. Done. Thank you. चलो, thank you, sir.
चाला ना एकदम आपको।
हो एकदम व्यवस्थित. Whew. Feels very nice with the new tires. Of course, everything new feels really, really good. But this one especially feels a lot better than those called Ralco tires, dude. I don't know why I'm gonna pick them up again. I need to go get my car and pick them up because I want to make a special story on them. Slippers! Bathroom slippers are more grippier than those are. Plastic has more grip than that rubber. Whew, should have brake checked. I almost rammed into that Neos.
मैं आपसे कुछ मांग सकता हूँ सचमुच में? अब मैं मांगूंगा और आप मानेंगे नहीं तो मानेंगे, लेकिन अगर करेंगे नहीं तो पक्का करेंगे।
Man, that service costed a bomb, dude. You won't believe what my service cost was. I usually don't make these kind of videos because it doesn't make sense. But this service did dig a huge hole in my pocket. This was my 2-year service, and yeah, I've officially completed 2 years on 13th of March, and today is quite overdue. It's probably 2nd or 3rd of April. I missed it by miles. But anyway, what I was saying was, this service, a lot has been done, including the tires. In fact, the service excluding the tires itself costed a bomb. In this service, I did the oil change, oil filter change, air filter change, front cone set replacement because obviously Ramesh Vakancha and Supremacy. I did the tappet setting, changed the front fork oil, and what else? Honestly, I can't remember half of the things that I did. But yeah, that costed me, inclusive of everything, it costed me, drumroll please, 11,072 rupees.
What the
That's right. I own a Royal Enfield and it costed me 11,072 rupees to service.
सस्ती चीजों का शौक हम भी नहीं रखते दिवाकर राव।
He did change the accelerator cable as well. Yeah, that he did. The axle cable and what not, dude. There's a lot of thing that has gone into maintaining this baby. Ooh. young little guy, Ratatouille. That was a very close call.
माउंटेन ड्यू डर की माँ की
And as a matter of fact, this did happen that my big sister, my elder sister, is here to meet me, and she was like, "I'll gift you a new pair of shoes."
मेरी बहन एकदम मेरे लिए माता के स्वरूप में आते हैं.
And I was like, "Yeah, ठीक है, we'll figure out something." So we went to a few places to get some, to find some new good shoes. But then I wasn't that impressed with whatever options that there were. And she anyway had a budget of some 6,000-7,000, so I was like, might as well add a bit more and get a pair of new slick tires. I mean, essentially, after all, they are shoes at the end of the day, right? Not for me, but for my bike, which is more or less the same thing. So, why not? And the amount of confidence, I mean, I don't want to speak too soon. Oof. Do you hear those pops and cracks? So one of the few things that I enjoy about this exhaust. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to speak too soon, but I do notice quite a lot of difference. A difference of a day and night with these tires. Those are all, dude. Those are fucking horrible tires. Horrible Valcos. I mean, I do understand at the point that they are meant to be off-road, use-friendly. So you won't really expect a high-speed stability or high-speed grip or grip on tarmac per se on those. But अरे थोड़ा बहुत तो भाई. As long as the tires are warm and the road is dry, it's completely fine. Once there's a little bit of moisture on the road, you're gone, dude. You're gone. Bathroom slippers have more grip than those. Hey, look at that. Look at that handsomeness.
ऐसे में बड़ा सख्त लगता हूँ, लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया.
My balaclava is shifted on one side. I look funny. Damn, that old Civic looks beautiful now. It's so low. It's nice and low-key, like a sleeper cell. The Honda Elevate also looks quite good. Not this. This. Look at the dust shining over my tank. Do you see those particles? This is the story of my life. भाई कर क्या रहा है और तुझे क्या इतनी घाई है भाई? Why does this guy have no patience? He's a damn cyclist, man. Oh, he's on the phone as well. Well done, buddy. A man of culture, I must say. Damn, look at the lighting. And here we go again. The fun ends and the extra absolute pinnacle of fun begins. Ramesh Pakhya and Sharon Supremacy. All set to ruin my cone set all over again. Hi. I'm good. How are you? I just uploaded last week. Did you watch? Yeah. It was. Now I'm... Huh? Bye. He's done with his extra version. I can completely relate, dude. He collected all the extra version he could. He asked me the important questions and then said, "You can now fuck off." I'm sorry, sir. I will upload soon.
भाई मुझे माफ कर दो.
What the heck was that? That company took Go Green quite seriously. They went green all the way.
People are dying.
Hui.
Bonus.
Another very important thing that I need to do, I just remembered. Otherwise, it would have been a very, very difficult time at home for me. भाई दूध देना एक लीटर. ये क्या बात करता है यार? तुम कोई सी भी बाइक ले लो. At the end of the day, this is what matters. Thailand on the handlebar. घरगुती मोटो ब्लॉगर.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara.